Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to talk about which share you should buy. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So in order to buy any share, you should consider some factors before buying any share. So what are the factors here? Number one factor is you should buy those companies share which company you like the most, or which company's product or service you like the most. Number two, you should buy those companies share which company is running their business in the market for a longer period of time. Number three, before buying any share of any company, you should check the annual report of that particular company before buying any share of that particular company. So in the annual report, you should check either the company is making profit or going through loss in the annual report. So in that case, you can get the annual report of any particular company by the help of the Google. Number four, you should check the PE ratio or price earning ratio of that particular company, which company share you want to buy. So what is PE ratio or price earning ratio? PE ratio or price earning ratio is the ratio where it has been determined how much money you should invest to gain profit. So if any company has less than 20% of PE ratio or price earning ratio, then the company's share is considered too suitable to buy. Number five, before buying any share of any company, you should check the price of the share of any company for the last 1 year. If the company's share is increasing for the last 1 year, then you can buy the share of that company. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.